Hello! Welcome sa Civil Engineering Sample Problem about surveying. So tara at isolve na natin ang ating sample problem for today. A sheet asphalt mixture is made using the following percentage by weight of the total mix. So meron tayong materials, tatlo, sand, filler, tsaka asphalt cement, and then meron silang sari-sariling specific gravity, and then meron din silang sari-sariling percent by weight. So for our first question, compute natin yung ating absolute specific gravity of the compacted specimen. And then yung ating second question, if the test specimen weighs 100 or 1,130 grams in air and was found to weigh 635 grams naman when suspended in water, compute the bulk specific gravity of the compacted specimen. So, and then our last question, compute the porosity of the compacted specimen. Okay? So, let's proceed sa ating first question. Then, yung ating isosolve dyan, yung ating absolute specific gravity. So, using yung ating formula ng ating absolute specific gravity, formula. So, ang ating formula lang, yung ating G equals yung ating 100 over yung ating mga materials na gagamitin kung alin yun. So, meron tayong tatlo dyan. So, kunin lang natin yung kanilang percent by weight over yung kanilang specific gravity. So, meron tayong PS over GS plus yung ating PF over GF plus PA over GA. So, ayan. So, isulat natin. Sige, bawat itong mga given na to para direct sub na lang tayo. So, dito, yung ating given. So, yung ating PS dyan, edi ito lang yan, percentage by weight. So, meron tayong 78. Then, yung ating GS, equal siya. So, ano bang specific gravity niya? So, meron tayong 2.60. So, yung ating PF naman, so 14. Then, yung ating G sub F ay 2.70. So, yung ating PA ay 8. And then, yung ating GA ay 1.02. So, ayan. So, direct sub lang tayo. Ganun lang siya. After natin masulat yung given, direct sub na lang natin yan. So, ang ating absolute specific gravity ay, so, direct sub na lang tayo, ating solution. So, dito na lang, solution. So, yung ating G equals 100 over. Ayan. So, yung ating PS ay 78 over 2.60 plus yung ating 14 over 2.70 plus yung ating 8 over 1.02. Therefore, ang ating absolute specific gravity ay 100 over yung ating 78 over 160. 2.60 plus yung ating 14 over 2.70 plus 8 over 1.02. So, meron tayong 2.324. So, 2.324. And this will be our final answer. Ganun lang. Dito naman sa susunod, ang pinapahanap naman is bulk specific gravity. So, binigay naman yung weight nung ating air. Nasa air siya, tsaka yung weight nung nasa water. So, B, using our formula ng bulk specific gravity, yung ating weight ng nasa air over yung ating weight ng nasa air minus yung ating weight ng nasa water. So, yung ating given for problem 2 or problem B. So, meron tayo dyan weight ng nasa air na, ano sabi? Specimen weighs 1,130 grams in air. So, 1,130 grams. And then, yung ating weight sa water ay, ito ay W, 635 grams. Ayan. So, 635 grams. So, solution tayo. Direct sub lang nito. Ayan. Kompleto naman. Ito siya. Tsaka ayan. So, meron tayong bulk specific gravity equals. So, yung ating 1,130 grams over yung ating 1,130 grams minus 635 grams. So, cancel natin yung unit. Ayan. So, meron tayong bulk specific gravity na 1,130 over yung ating 1,130 minus 635. So, meron tayong 2.28. So, 2.28 natin. Ayan, 2.283. Let's say 283 na lang. So, itong bulk specific gravity, so pwede natin sabihin siya si D. Small d. Ayan, si D rin siya. And this will be our final answer. Para naman sa ating last question. So, ang tinatanong naman is the porosity of the compacted specimen. So, meron lang ding formula yung ating porosity. So, yung ating porosity equals yung ating absolute specific gravity minus yung ating bulk specific gravity over absolute specific gravity multiplied by 100. Okay? So, meron naman na to sa G, meron na rin tayo sa D. Ayan, may G na tayo. Then, may D na rin. So, ang gawin na lang natin is let's recompute yung naging value nito para exact. So, ang target natin, store natin. Dahil hindi natin na-store to sa A, ilagay natin sa A and then lagay to sa B. Since nakasave pa dito sa CalQ, store na natin to sa B. Ayan. Okay? So, ito na lang uli. Recompute natin yan. So, 100 over 78 over 2.6 plus ating 14 over 2.70 plus 8 over 1.02. So, store natin yan sa A. So, para, nag-solve tayo dito sa ating main formula. So, meron tayong A minus ating nasa B, store sa B, over yung ating nakastore sa A. Ayan, multiply by 100. So, ating porosity equals, meron tayong A minus B over A multiply by 100. 1.77% o 1.774%. Ayan. And this will be our final answer. Okay. So now, let's do a recap ng ating mga naging sagot. So for our first question, yung ating absolute specific gravity is equal to 2.324. Then yung ating bulk specific gravity naman is 2.283. And finally, our porosity is equal to 1.774%. And that would be all. And thank you for watching.